So Justin was walking through the woods, letting the dogs out into the big part of the goat fence so they could roam, and he stumbled upon a nest. And look what we have here. All of them are guinea eggs, all but probably, I think there might be 4 or 5 turkey eggs. There's a turkey egg. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And those were turkeys. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Then you got 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 guinea eggs and 4 turkey eggs, all in the woods. And I wonder why they started laying and then stopped all of a sudden. Well, I moved one nest, they made another nest. So I guess I'm going to just start searching the whole part of my woods. Anyways, what a bummer. Don't know if these eggs are any good or not, but I'll probably just give them away and see if somebody will have any luck hatching them. Because I don't know how long they've been out there. But anyways, get guineas, they said. They're great birds. Yeah, they love laying in the woods instead of the nesting box. But hopefully we can keep an eye on this new nest now. Maybe we'll be able to start collecting them every day. But, oh well. It's a bummer, but at least we found it. And I know that they are laying, and I do have more than 2 guinea hens, clearly. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day.